this is a smart wearable vibrator called Tenuto by MysteryVibe. So if you give me 3 fingers, this product has 6 motors and it's run by an app. So motors over here, and over here.
Okay.
And the idea is the vibration will run through the perineum and will increase the blood flow. And this adaptable vibrating grip allows you to maintain an erection for longer.
Does it change the vibration?
Yes.
Is this on purpose?
Yes, so it has 8 different vibrations, which I'll show you in a minute off my app. Wherever I press is where you would feel the vibration and the intensity. And we have different settings.
Okay.
And the next upgrade will be that you can create your own now. Let's say you like all the vibration just on the phallic area. You can create your own so that you feel it all over here. And you can save that setting.
Can I also share it with friends?
Not yet, but the next one you'll be able to share it with your partner.
Okay.
So when you're on your way home, you can tell them to set it to that setting and you can put it straight on and play. So the technology doesn't ask for any data. It's there to facilitate exploration, discovery, really just encouraging playtime and working out what works for you and for a partner. It can be used solo or in partner play.
There's no registration either.
No,
so
no.
You to use it.
Yeah, so you do have to, just to connect to your phone on Bluetooth, and download the app.
iOS and Android?
Yes, we are.
What's the price point?
It's 99 euros.
99 euros.
Yes.
And it will be when available?
You can pre-order it now and available for May.
Great. Thank you very much.
Pleasure, thank you.